Morning! Look who's my sleeping partner. It is the next morning and I don't know what's with like Kuching flights, but my boyfriend also had his flight landed early, like half an hour, and now he's like on the way to our hotel because there's like a cafe down here. So we're all gonna have breakfast there and then I'll say bye to those two and then go to my auntie's house to have lunch and then I'll go somewhere, I guess. I'm stressed not knowing what I'm going to do, but it is what it is, so we'll see how. My boyfriend and his sister just arrived at our hotel lobby, so I'm gonna go down and meet them first because my friends are not ready, but I'm excited! And she got the quiche. Mine?
Is this the one you got the gold one? Oh.
I said bye to me and Nora, but actually I'm going to meet them again tomorrow night. But yeah, now we're going to my auntie's house to have lunch and yeah, we're actually almost there. Kuching is so small. Hello! Ayo, ayo, ayo. Wow. Oh my god, bro. What? Too many things happened, but now we're gonna check in our hotel. Let's go. Oh sure. This is the okay, cool. Wow, the toilet looks so fancy. Ooh. Spending like 10 minutes to find a parking, but we have finally arrived at the cat cafe. Are you excited to see cat? It's called cat cafe. Cat. I don't know. Yeah. Cute.
It's like people inside, but we'll probably like go in after you're done.
Okay. Oh my god, it's so soft. It's like touching the cloud. So hungry. Oh my god.
You have a stretch 100.
Yeah. Like nothing to be scared of.
It looks kind of wonky though. Right? We're gonna go to eat dinner now. We're gonna go eat Peking duck, my favorite, but it's my first time eating Peking duck at this place, so like I can't guarantee the quality, but everyone says it's good, so we'll see.
香。有两样的，有两样。
I don't like eggplant, but this eggplant's good. Hi, good morning everyone. I'll show y'all the Kuching morning. It looks kind of gloomy today. But anyway, now it's 7:30, and then we're gonna go eat breakfast now. But I always eat laksa at this place called Chunhui, but then like they say the laksa is closed today, so we're going somewhere else to eat breakfast. Then after that I'll go to do like the Qingming thing, and then I'll go say hi to my aunties and uncles and stuff. And then we're gonna continue the vlog. So yeah, I'll see you. Oh shit. Oh, 你不要 show me.
没有带 tissue. I have tissue. 我放在我另外一个 bag.
这个是那个用
Oops.
Nice. I'm done with everything. Now we're finally having lunch. But it's like 2:30. It's all the sour. Moment of truth. 是一起的，一起。Hey, so we're done eating. Now we're gonna go to another cafe called Crumbs because someone needs his coffee, and apparently there's like this plush toy fish market over there. And it looks quite cute, so we're also gonna check that out. And then we're gonna go to Spring to buy some Hari Raya stuff for Nura because she's having another open house today, and we're gonna have dinner at an open house and probably play some fireworks. Okay. I don't see the fish market anywhere. This is what I saw. That was strong. Okay. Ooh. Not bad. Okay. Okay, now we are on the way to Nora's house, and we bought her a little Hari Raya themed Famous Amos. But it's actually just normal Famous Amos, but it's in a lemang box. Isn't it cute? But yeah, we're going to the house now, and then yeah, I'll see you there. Hi! Oh my god, hi! She's early. Wow, you look like a wedding view, leh. Hello. It matches your outfit.
Thank you, bro.
Open it, open it. Take it open. Take it open.
Open.
It's a lemang shaped Famous Amos.
Thanks, man. Ready? Ready? Come with it.
Eating.
Oh, I see it.
We're gonna play fireworks now. So we got this explosion fireworks thing, and I have to like put it in between these electrical wires. Okay.
帮你们点到。这个呢？哇！
My ears.
That was so cool. You stopped down there and I was like,
它会向哪里？
前面。
I know, bruh. Kind of dangerous, huh? Throw.
What?
You get one, eh?
No, it's getting higher. I thought it was more intense.
Oh. Yeah.
Use your left hand and you just. You're filming Nura's TikTok. Oh! Bye. Bye. Aww. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye to the vlog. The vlog. Wow. Ah.
Okay.
Nice.